Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will doing a makeup video. I know it's been very long since I've done a makeup video because it takes too much time and really I don't know a lot about it, but I have planned that I will start doing it a lot more. So today I'll be using James Charles palette, which is this. It took me really long to get it, but I really wanted to buy this particular palette because it's super awesome and it's beautiful. It has these amazing colors and I did not want to miss it for anything. So I think we should start with the video. Guys, so first thing first, I have taken a shower and everything, and actually I would like to talk about one very nice product that I use every day. This is the Wow body lotion. It's the aloe vera body lotion. It's extremely light on your skin, and especially in summers you really need something which is so light, and you need something which is hydrating but it's not sticky, and you want a very ultra light hydration. It has no mineral oils, no parabens, no silicones, no color. So, you know, all natural. Currently I am actually getting into natural products because they are very good for your skin. Can you see I haven't even pumped the bottle and product is out already. When you apply it, it's very light. It smells good. Okay, usually aloe vera products doesn't smell that good because I have tried a lot. Also because you guys know that I have a very oily skin, so I prefer something which is very lightweight and it's water based. It's not, you know, oil based. I really like such products. It's not sticky and it dries out really soon. Like, by what I mean by dries out, it doesn't dry your skin. It dries out. It's not sticky. So that's what I mean by it dries out so quick that, you know, you don't feel the lotion or the moisturizer is on your skin. The product is for 199 rupees only. First of all, whenever I'm doing makeup video, I really moisturize my hand because it's very important they dry out, because everything, all brushes and whenever I use whatever, I don't know, for some reason it just dry out my hands because all the product is on my hand. I'm doing something, my foundation is everywhere, so I always moisturize it first. Now when I have moisturized my hand, guys, I will just clip in my hair. Okay guys, let's start the video. I know I'm looking a bit stupid, but please ignore that. So I have already moisturized my face and I have used Nivea cream. I really like that cream, so I don't use any other moisturizer. So I have my skin prepped already. Now I'll be using the primer by Color Bar. I heard it's very nice, that's why I bought it. Currently I'm using the foundation by NARS. It's the Gobi Sheer Glow. So what I do first is I just use my fingers. If I use Beauty Blender, the entire product is on Beauty Blender, which I don't like. So once I use the foundation, I use Prep and Prime Fix Plus by MAC. Just spray it. Sorry, it's logged. Just spray it on the Beauty Blender. I like doing it. And use it on the foundation that I have applied. I really feel that when I do this, all the excessive makeup comes out and, you know, the foundation is really subtle and very nice. Blend. Ta-da! Once this is done, let's go to the eyebrows. I just brush my eyebrows. After that I use Brow Zings by Benefits for my eyebrows. Okay, so there's a very it's a hack, I don't know, I did it because I really liked it. So I bought this particular transparent mascara and it was of no use, so currently I use it for my eyebrows, and I am not lying guys, it works like a miracle. Okay guys, I'll be doing a cute pink makeup. I'll be using this particular color, this baby pink and this pink. I'm taking this particular color. I'm done with my eyes. After that I'll be using this particular mascara. I always use this. You can also use a white liner if you want to. I just felt that black would be better, so I'm using black. So I also keep an empty bottle of mascara so that I can just take out excessive mascara from my eyes. I don't use fake lashes, so I want my eyelashes to be as dramatic as possible. Next I'll be using this particular bronzer by Benefits again. After that I'll be using NARS blush called Orgasm. And finally guys, this is the look. I will just end up and spray some Fix Plus I hope guys you like the video, and if you want some more of these, do let me know. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment on the comment section. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Take care. Bye bye.